Welcome to this tutorial on how to see a live chart in TradingView. If you are interested in tracking stock prices, cryptocurrencies, or forex, TradingView provides an intuitive platform to help you monitor live data. In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to access and customize live charts on TradingView. First, start by creating a TradingView account if you haven't already. Go to the TradingView website and click on the Join for Free button. Fill in the required details to create your account, or you can log in using your Google or Facebook account. Once you are logged in, you will be directed to the TradingView dashboard where you can explore several features. To see a live chart, locate the Chart option in the top menu and click on it. This will take you to the charting interface where you can select the asset you wish to view. Use the search bar at the top of the chart area to enter the name or ticker symbol of the asset. Once you have selected the asset, you will see the live price chart updating in real time. Finally, you can customize your chart to suit your trading style. Use the toolbar on the left side to add indicators, trend lines, and other tools to your chart. You can also adjust the time frame by selecting options like 1 minute, 1 hour, or 1 day from the menu at the top. Don't forget to save your chart setup by clicking on the Save icon so that you can quickly access it in the future. Thank you for watching and happy trading.